Streamlining your cooking, habit versus consistency for growth in the capsule kitchen in the modern era, efficiency and sustainability are paramount. This essay delves into the interplay of habits and consistency in streamlining cooking within a capsule kitchen setting, offering actionable insights for practitioners today. Habit formation. Keystone to efficiency habits play a pivotal role in shaping our daily routines. In the context of cooking, they can significantly reduce time and effort spent on meal preparation. According to Duke University research, it takes approximately 66 days to form a new habit. Lally et al., 2010. By identifying key tasks within your capsule kitchen workflow, such as chopping vegetables or preparing grains, and consistently performing them at specific times each day, you can turn these actions into habits. This allows you to perform them without conscious thought, freeing up mental energy for other tasks. Forming habits in your capsule kitchen can lead to increased efficiency and reduced stress, as you'll spend less time deliberating over routine tasks. Consistency, the cornerstone of sustainable growth. While habit formation is essential for efficient cooking, consistency is the foundation for sustainable growth. Consistently following your meal plan ensures that you maintain a balanced diet and avoid relying on fast food or takeout. A study by the National Center for Biotechnology Information found that individuals who consistently adhered to their meal plans had lower body mass indexes (BMIs) compared to those who did not. Faith et al., 2016. Consistency in your capsule kitchen practices can lead to long-term health benefits, such as weight management and improved overall well-being. Habit versus consistency. Balancing efficiency and sustainability. While both habits and consistency are crucial for streamlining cooking within a capsule kitchen, striking the right balance between the two is essential. Prioritize forming habits around tasks that offer the most time savings and align with your long-term goals. For example, if you frequently eat salads, making dressing in advance could become a habit to save time each mealtime while maintaining a healthy diet. By focusing on forming habits that foster consistency, you can create a sustainable, efficient capsule kitchen system that supports your overall well-being. Implementing change, a step-by-step approach to effectively streamline your cooking in a capsule kitchen. Follow these steps. 1. Identify key tasks within your workflow that could be turned into habits for time savings. 2. Set realistic goals for habit formation and create a plan to achieve them. 3. Monitor your progress and adjust as needed to maintain consistency in your meal planning and preparation. 4. Continuously seek opportunities for improvement, such as refining your workflow or experimenting with new recipes. Conclusion. By understanding the role of habits and consistency in streamlining cooking within a capsule kitchen, practitioners can create an efficient, sustainable system that supports their long-term well-being. By focusing on forming habits that foster consistency, strike the right balance between efficiency and sustainability,